You guys want to see it hit with a bunch of nitrous?
This thing, no, we're not hitting with nitrous because I gotta sell this motor with the rods in it. Just kidding, we might try it.
Yeah, we should.
You ain't doing nothing.
I think we should go do one street hit with it. It's Connor's first nitrous hit ever.
Okay, let's go.
Do it for the people. Hopefully the prep is good.
Prepped and ready.
Okay, when you give her the beans, I'm gonna.
Oh, that's reverse.
I'm gonna give her some spray. Okay.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I got no tack. Oh, we're to the
Comes the nitrous.
Oh!
I don't know. It sounded like it was trying to spin the tires. I'm pretty sure it was trying.
What an absolute turd.
Did you feel it?
Yeah, I did
Yeah?
feel it.
Let's try one more time. Okay, you let me know when you're ready. I'm gonna give it some more.
I'm gonna give it some more. I don't know if I like this. We're gonna see if this even does anything.
Let's go. Bottle on.
Oh! I think it's safe to say she's done. She's no shit. It pulled the wing nut through the top. Oh no! Oh, she's toasty. Oh gosh. Oh no! It's not an oil bath anymore, it's just oil fire.
Get the marshmallows.
Oh, I am so sorry.
We'll see if it'll start.
Oh yes, Jerry!
Guys, welcome back to the channel. So funny.
Nothing. You see the opening clip. I don't think the 365 is.
No, it still runs.
It runs cherry.
So,
for sale. Barely used, 78,000 light leisure miles.
So Connor's very first nitrous hit.
Absolutely ruined my hood.
I wouldn't say
Just
ruined.
like video on Instagram of the guy blowing his hood to smithereens. Anyway.
And the shitty thing it was literally his only fear. He's like, what if it backfires and messes my hood up? It's fine though.
Anyways, we're here. And like I was insinuating, this bad boy ain't staying in here any longer. And that is going in. For those of y'all not familiar, this thing, Spoolie Boy 9000, and these spark plugs. This is a V8.
Is this like an LS of a van or what?
Yeah, it's an LS with a 4L80.
Really?
We're just gonna do a Holly Terminator on this thing. Easy wiring. Actually, I was gonna carburetor it.
After your last experience.
Irregardless.
So what is it?
30 max. 6.6. We made 500 horsepower. 4-speed automatic transmission. In here.
So why a Dirty Max? Your last truck had a Cummins.
The Cummins is too big for this car. And now y'all are gonna be like, the Cummins isn't that big. I also didn't want it to sound like a tractor. And I want to do something different.
Really?
Yes, everybody does Cumminses. Not everybody does Duramaxes.
Seriously, best laugh I've had in a while. I went supersonic on that laugh. It got really loud and it just got quieter and quieter and quieter.
That was well worth the 30 cents in nitrous it probably ended up
It
being.
was probably like 20 bucks in nitrous actually. I really gave her the beans at the end. As you can see with the hood here.
That's why my intake doesn't exist anymore.
Hold on, can we show them the air filter lid quick?
So it was bolted on and we had the nitrous line going through it, snaking through. And there's a wingnut shaped hole at the top. And it blew the welds on the intake, baby.
It also
Danger to manifold.
It also blew the welds on the hood.
Shut up. I don't want to relive that now.
Yeah, so it actually blew the seam welds on the hood, which is why the
I
skin's
gotta
off.
fix the stupid skin now.
Ah, we know a body guy.
Oh,
Know a couple body guys.
yeah,
Hold on. Since we're talking about it, let's just. Yeah, right here.
Look, give her a
Oh,
look.
yeah.
Oh, baby. Oh, it looks so bad.
That's fine. You're gonna cut a hole in the hood right here for the can, anyways.
Now I might have to.
Pringle can 9000. So no one's ever done this, right?
Not on a 57. I've seen one in a 63, and some guys got it in like a 1980 Coupe de Ville. So yeah, nobody's done it in a cool car like this though. So then it will really do a burnout, and I will for sure lose my security deposit. But
It's pretty
till
impressive.
then, still got it. I think. You can't even tell that it was the Coker Classics that did it.
Looks like you had a dually in here doing it. All right, so my first time seeing this car. And Connor got fibbed. It's not all original.
Yeah, GM put a glass pack on the driver's side.
Hollywood
and a not
muffler?
glass pack on that side.
Wow.
Funny enough, it has so little power that it sounds the same out of both pipes.
Both pipes push oil. I'm really glad that we didn't break this.
What, we can break with 130 horsepower? Like,
Well, we multiply that horsepower by 2 on the last hit.
I found this last time I put it on the lift.
Looks like somebody else's exhaust job's been making contact.
Bro, look at this. Oh wait, this side's better. Oh, and oh yes, that's where the smoke was coming out.
Dude, I'm surprised this car was as quiet as it was.
Wow. Very exciting. Even though I seem tired, because I am. This lump of turd, I mean, wonderful, slightly used motor. Made it out in one piece. I didn't like wreck anything, which is surprising considering that thing came out like vertical. But yeah.
And the manifolds were still hot on the exhaust, so I mean it was not hot, warm.
Burns the strap. Oops. I was like, man, this thing better not slip off the floor.
No.
Right into my window.
I was more worried about sawing through the strap than slipping. So, got these two things side by side.
It's just a big block.
Honestly, doesn't look that bad. I mean, it's on a pallet, so it's a little taller. But
Yeah. It's probably what, like 5 inches tall.
the 4L80, compared to whatever that thing is,
That's the Hydromatic. That's before the Turbo 400.
pretty comparable. Not horrible, but this here.
Yeah, I might be buying some PPE parts for that. I'm not overly concerned about the downpipe or the exhaust manifold because, well, in here, we're gonna be talking to some homies to get rid of this unique brake setup, and we're gonna put a Hydro Boost in here because I want brakes that work. And I don't want a master cylinder that's down there. Like, quite honestly, the oil filter looks like it might come in contact with that thing. It might be low enough that it bypasses the steering gear and it's just in that region. And if that's the case, well, that OG master cylinder is not gonna be there. So, we might get lucky. Big win. This is kind of where it's supposed to be, except it's 2 inches too high because the pan rail is just resting right on that cross member. Ideally, this thing is like in that pocket there, just like the Caddy was. With that, then I got a section of crap out of it to fit this water neck on there. And yeah, we'll section the crap out of it to make this pan fit because I still need room for an oil pan here. But it's looking really good. And I think with some, I hate to say it, minor firewall work, we could maybe even set this thing back further yet. But I'd like to see where the transmission fits. Right now we don't have a transmission on here.
Honestly, fits really well though.
Big win. Height-wise,
I would have never suspected that this would have
kind of close, but
fit in there.
like I said, 2 inches too high. Yeah. My dreams of a Duramax Caddy are coming true. I'm pretty happy with this. This is a good night.
This was productive, so I think
Almost blew up the Caddy the first time. Now, like 2 hours, 3 hours later, we got.
you guys want to see Nitrous return to the channel. We've got a couple ideas. I have an idea that's going to come to fruition right away.
Oh yes.
Probably after this video. So I've been waiting a while.
Mm-hmm. So I hope y'all are gonna like this one. This is we're gonna paint the motor blue, motor and transmission just like the Caddy, and try and make it look like it was supposed to fit in here. Even though I'm gonna be sawing like majority of this front end apart. So yeah, if you're excited to see this over the next 4 months,
Buckle in.
I am excited to be doing this. So yeah, thanks for joining us. Sub to this wonderful channel. And I look forward to driving this into Florida, which is honestly a huge task, but I started it, so now I gotta finish it.
I mean, if we're this far along on the first night,
Yeah, how bad could it really be?
we have 3.5 months.
How bad could it really be? Jeepers. All right, boys. See you later.